Thanks for joining us on the Garagistic YouTube channel today. Today we're going to talk about E30 Aluminum and Delrin steering couplers. Your factory steering coupler comes with a rag joint right here, and over time they're going to wear out. They have a lot of heat near them, a lot of oil, stuff like that. So the wheel steering is going to be a little bit number because of that. And it was pretty soft to begin with because it was meant for comfort, not so that everything gets transmitted through the steering wheel. Well, for a performance application, we do offer two different products. You got your Delrin and you got your aluminum. It's basically solid and overkill. Both applications are very good, but there is a couple of pros and cons, and we're gonna go over that. The first thing, the pro is you're gonna have a lot more steering input. Direct, it'll be more direct. You know, basically when you turn that steering wheel, there's a little bit of a delay. Minimal, it will be, but there's a little bit of a delay before it actually starts to rotate, and that's because the rag actually takes a lot of that. So with the Delrin and aluminum, you won't have that anymore, and it'll be a bit more direct feel. But you do have to keep in mind though that that rag was also there as a safety feature in case of collision, for that steering column to collapse. Now with Delrin aluminum, the Delrin will still eventually collapse in a case of an accident, but the aluminum definitely will not. So keep that in mind, that this is not a modification for on-road use. Installation is easy. You're just gonna have to go ahead and drill through the original bolts that go through here, and we supply the hardware that you then replace that with. The ideal time to do this modification is definitely when swapping in a quicker steering rack from an E36 or E46, and we do sell the kits for those as well to make it as bolt up a solution as possible. Thanks for joining us.